Okay, today I'm going to show you exactly, I'm not going to do the highlights because it's not time yet for me to do the highlights because there's still a lot of blonde here, but I just want to show you how I do it, and this is exactly the way I would do it at home. So you're going to need these gloves. These gloves are great because, you know, it burns your hands because it's the developer. Throw them away and yeah, use the gloves. I use on both hands, and I'll show you exactly what else do I use. So I use the gloves. I have this that I bought, and I do like this sometimes, you know, you just hold it like this. It's easy. You have something to, you know, hold on to. And I use this brush. You have the comb on one side and you have the brush on the other side, and this for you to part. So this is very, very easy. As you can see, you just do doop, 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 and like that. So I use it sometimes, not always, because I'm going to show you exactly how I'm doing it right now. Okay, I use a blue developer. I'm not going to say the brand or anything. You go to a beauty supply store and you just ask for the powder to bleach your, to do highlights or to bleach your hair. Mine is a blue one. I really like this blue one. It's great, and I buy it in a, you see, a big tub. It's a bluish purple. I don't know if you can see, bluish purple, and it's very strong. It comes with this little thing here. Okay, you're gonna need this too, one of these. So what I do, and the developer, have one full little thing of this full of the blue powder for my entire hair, If you have longer hair, or if you want to put more, you just double it. Okay, so I use one of these. I fill it up with the powder, goes in here. The ratio is 1 powder for 2 developers. The cream, it's a cream developer, so I use 2 of these developer. I mix everything. I really am enjoying it right now. There was another time, the best thing, the best results is mix it very well. Mix it very, very well. The more you mix it, the better. So I would do this, and I would get a comb that would be like this, more or less. You see? Very, very thin. And I would put the cream here, and I would just do like this on my hair. I would just do like this. I would go all over where I wanted to go. Or I would get a comb like this, if you can see it. Can you see this comb? You see? And I would put the cream here, and also like that. For now, what I'm doing is I have my gloves on. I just grab whatever I want, and I just put like this in the bucket. I get all the cream here, and I just do like this with both gloves, of course. Here. I get big chunks of it. I'm getting big chunks of it. In the back as well, big chunks of the cream, and that's it. On my bangs too. Okay. Now, the roots. I have gray hair, yes. Not a lot, but I do have some gray hair. But what I like to do is my roots, I like to dye a medium brown, not too dark. But it's going to give you that beautiful, beautiful blonde with the brown. It's beautiful. And I do like this. If I want thicker blonde, that's going to be just for one day. Then the next time I want to dye my hair, I want to do my blondes, this is what I do. I go for thinner ones. I go for very thin here. I would do lighter here. So the lighter would be like this. It's not that I do more of the powder or more of the developer. I just leave it on for more time. Okay, so going back to leaving on. I did first my chunks. One day I do my roots. The next day I do my highlights. I never do it at the same day. That's just me. You can do it if you want, but that's just me, how I like to do it. For the time, okay, I did the chunks, already did the chunks. I leave it for about half an hour to 45 minutes. But you just grab your glove and you just take it out before you rub. I like to rub it to heat it up, and you check how light it is. If it's as light as you wish, you can check it. It depends on each hair. My hair responds very quickly to everything, to dyeing, to curling, to everything. I mean, I've done tons of stuff to my hair and it still obeys me. My hair is pretty cool to me. To me, it's obedient hair. So I leave it for half an hour and 45 minutes. If I want to do the lighter ones, I would leave it for about an hour. I'm not kidding. And I just check it. I really do check it, because sometimes an hour could be too much. After I do all that, the roots, I did the blondes. Okay, the blonde part, take it off in the shower. First with the water, I take everything off, and then I go with my chamomile shampoo. I would do a lot of the purple shampoo right after I do my highlights. I'm not doing it anymore because, as I said, I do my highlights and the purple shampoo on top of it, it becomes too silver, too white. I don't like it. I prefer to do with the chamomile shampoo because it gives that pizzazz to the blonde. It gives a beautiful blonde color, and it's not so harsh because you already did the blonde and all that. It's harsh on your. I do, after I wash my hair with the shampoo, I put tons of conditioner. Condition it a lot, and then I shower, I take my bath, blah, 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 very slowly, very calmly. I leave it for about 3 to 5 minutes, conditioning my hair. I rinse it off, and then I go and I do all the stuff that I want to do. I want to curl it, I want to do everything. It's going to be fine because you hydrated your hair a lot. So I hope this helps you. I do the browns, I do the highlights, and I do it once in a while. I shall be doing it in a couple of weeks. I could do a video doing it, but I just wanted to show you exactly what I do. So don't forget, it's this, the brush, the comb. This is perfect because it's a 3-in-1. You have the comb here, to separate your hair and all that. You have the brush here. This brush is very, very good. This comes in your powder, the blue powder and the developer. I use a 20 volume developer, and I use a 30, also a 30 to do my very light ones. So it depends. Sometimes I use 30 for everything or not. That's it. That's how I do my highlights. That's how I do my lowlights, and that's how I do my hair. Hope you enjoy the video, and I will do a tutorial on it, but I just wanted to show you how I do it technically, let's say, in all these products. So thank you very much for liking and for watching, and I hope it helped you. If you have any questions, please ask me and I'll answer every single one of them. And I'll check you out in my next video. Thank you.